Hello everyone, this is a Signal Model 1639 Deluxe 16-inch 3-speed oscillating fan. Now this fan is very uncommon and unique to the Signal brand, with very Art Deco styling. And this fan is all original and it's in excellent condition. It does need some work to make it oscillate again, which I think is just likely a screw that came undone. It also runs only on medium and low with no high speed. Now the fan looks like it was rewired incorrectly, so that'll get fixed with some correct wiring while we're inside. The paint is in excellent shape, as is the polished blade. Let's have a look at it. Now the profile of this fan is unique with the handles, and this is why collectors refer to this as the mixer fan. Now the button at the rear of the motor controls the oscillation. It stops the fan from oscillating when pulled out. Here's a look at the back. And the switch plate. And what we'll do now is give a running demonstration of this fan. And this fan is very quiet with its 6-pole motor. And this is starting up on medium. And what we'll do now is go down to low speed. And it takes this fan a little while to slow down. And we'll shut the fan off to show the spin down. And with that, I will conclude this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this uncommon signal. There will be a revisit of this one because it does have problems that will get resolved, and I'll try to chronicle all of that on video. And of course, we will have more to come, so stay tuned. Later.